Hello and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to talk about Adobe Illustrator Egypt scene. So I'll take you through this tutorial. So we're going to create the foreground first, which is the sand, using the rectangular tool, and then go to the selection tool and then go to rectangle, create another one, and this one is going to be for the sky. And then we choose our color and we're going to use a gradient, and the gradient can be found on Windows. If you go into the top menu and then go to G for gradient, and then the panel will come up. So dark blue, light blue, and then white. So that's our gradient. Back to the selection tool. Pen tool, this is for the pyramids. Oops, there goes the gradient. Let's just come up. We can change the color. So I'm just using the selection tool again, but this one is the direct selection tool, because I just want to change the point there. So pick your color again. Go to swatches, pick your yellow color for the pyramid. Click and drag, and then if you hold Option, click and drag, and then scale it out holding Shift, otherwise it will just go wobbly. So we've got small, medium, and large. So now we're going to create the sun. Click and drag it. Option, click and drag. Reduce the scale. Go to the stroke. Change the color. Click and drag. Scale out. Make sure you get the fill. Right click, group it. Select. Right click, arrange, send to back. Click and drag to the top. There you go. Select. Command G is a shortcut to group it. Hold on Shift to scale it and then place it. And that's the sun. Now we go to the rectangular tool again. So we're just going to add a couple of lines for the sand. So now we've got the rounded rectangular. Change the color to brown, and this will be our camels. First draw the body and then the legs. Group it. Now the head. Now the neck. Now the humps. Select it, group it, hold down Shift, and then you can scale it in and out. Hold down Option, copy it. You can make a couple of duplicates. So we're going to put them in the distance. Change the color.